Textile is one of the largest industry with millions of employees and leading export revenue, but highest pollution making industries. This sector has been convicted of pollution as one of the world's biggest criminals. Most of the world's textile factories are in developing countries where government can't keep pace with the industry's massive pollution footprint. It consumes high amount of harmful chemical, water, energy and discharge of pollution solid waste. Water, which can be potable for a negligible cost, is used in factories and colored water is supplied for drinking. It's damaging the ecological balance and natural resources at a very high level. The cost of reclamation and restoration of polluted land and water will be many times higher than prevention. It would take numerous decades to revert back to normal. So, the new generation will have to suffer the side effect of this for years. Most of the people in this sector have no technical education, so they are dealing with traditional, outdated technology. R&D and training center are not available. Many organizations such as World Bank, EPA, IFC, WHO and many are supporting to contribute to this problem. But sorry to say, unfortunately, despite spreading billions of USD water treatment is unsuccessful. The rules are not implemented, resulting in no improvement in cleanliness. Millions of dollars in aids seems to go to the benefit of leading humans rather than improving the life of ordinary human beings. Again, who is responsible for this? Industrialists who spread pollution, private and governmental organizations who do not perform duties faithfully, all of us who didn't know or tolerate unknowingly the evil of pollution. Many factors other than funding must be employed to make this project a successful. It is not possible without adopting modern and innovative technology. Prevention is better than cure. How can we industrialize by protecting environment value is more important than development or environment is more important. We are committed to make this project possible and successful, working with the following issue for the health and clean water for ordinary human beings. To raise awareness among the people, to innovate and use modern technology for prevention and minimization of pollution, reclamation and restoration of polluted land and water, to take concrete steps to ensure that the law is strictly followed.